Alright. Hi, I'm Olivia, and recently I've been seeing a lot of people do recreating this person's makeup tutorial. Usually it's beauty gurus who do this, or recreating it. Usually, as everybody knows, beauty gurus have very much skill and knowledge about makeup. I would identify myself as not a beauty guru. I was thinking of maybe doing this trend, if you will, going around, but like I said, I don't have that much skill and or knowledge about makeup. So I'm just going to be doing something that I'm very comfortable with, you know, and that is my own makeup routine. Without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup routine or tutorial. Is this a makeup tutorial? Oh, that's the wrong one. Alright, this could be an ASMR video. Did you get the tingles? Good idea. Anyways, so here is all the makeup that I'm going to be using. Hello. Hi, sisters! I first do primer. Sometimes I do this if, it's an everyday thing. But if it's like a really windy day outside, my skin gets like really dry easily. I use this like moist. Oh wait, is this even close? It's not even close. Oh my gosh. I just use this. I'll leave a link to this down below. It's about 3 p.m. almost. Ah! How many spray? I'm gonna do that right here. The one directly in my ear. Then I get my foundation. I put my contacts in for this video and I still can't into the mirror. So I have another one. Hello. Can you see myself? Oh. Okay, anyways. I don't like beauty blenders. To me, it just takes up too much time and effort to beat your face, so I just rub it in, you know. Sometimes I get like a headband and stuff to keep all the hair follicles away from my face. So now I get concealer. I just make a lot of little pretty designs on my face. I do some under my eye. I do dots rather than lines because, you know, dots are just more aesthetically pleasing, you know? I do some on my chin. I actually do a line down my nose, so I just contradicted myself. I switch it up on my forehead. I'm not gonna say what brush I'm using because you guys really don't care. You need to see it on this. Will it focus? That's the real question. Will it focus? Maybe it's for the better. I feel like this entire video is just going to be like out of focus or like in focus like half of the time. So if it's like that, I'm sorry. My camera's like adjusted, you know, like it adjusts like every like 5 seconds. You can probably hear it if I turn like the music off. I'll just. Yeah, that's it. So after I do my concealer in my assigned areas, I get concealer again and put it where bad spots are. So I've been getting like a lot of pimples on like my forehead area. So I'm confused why that's happening. I'm really kind of like dyeing my hair every day by putting concealer in my hair. So now after I have a base, I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows usually used to take me maybe like an hour or like an hour and a half. Like legit, I was so uneducated in the brow world. And now I like to say that I do my eyebrows pretty adequately. Let's get a little close up in here, you know, it's a little personal. And like all people say, my mirror's down here, so if you see me looking down there, it's because my mirror. I outline my brows. And then, but I don't outline the like front part. I make an ombre. Can that happen? I just fill in like the end part of the brow the most, and then once that's somewhat filled into my hopes and dreams, I just kind of, I don't leave it in the dust. I kind of give it a little bit of love. Like that, but I don't necessarily fill them in. Alright, So that brow took me maybe 5 minutes, and now the real challenge is to make the other one look the same. So the brows are done. That took maybe about 8 minutes. I don't usually put concealer on my brows. If I do, I put them on the bottom, never the top. After I do my brows, because I'm only 14 years old and I don't contour, do all that stuff, but I do put on a little bit bronzer because, like I said earlier, I'm freaking pale AF. I learned from our Lord and Savior Kim K that whenever you do contour and or bronzer, bronzer is my contour. Whenever you contour, you basically do like a big 3 on your face. So you go under the jawline to give you that sharp piece and erasing on the jawline. I forgot to blend this part of concealer on my nose. Oh my god, what an embarrassment I am. I sometimes put highlight on, I feel like it's too extra. So now I do eyes. Usually I don't go for anything big because I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I go into this little black beauty book and get like a little brown shade out of these 20 brown shades right here. See that? Quick maths. I take a little brush and I like mix these two colors and I kind of just put on my crease. Done with this eye. Eyeshadow is done. So my camera just stopped recording and thank god I know what I said last. I was talking about eyebrow gel. I was saying I use clear mascara for eyebrow gel sometimes, but I'm not gonna do it right now because why? My eyelashes, my mascara tutorial. So I recently just picked up these 2 new things. I used to do this mascara. So this is an eyelash primer because it literally looks like I have dandruff in my hair and it's like falling down onto my eyelashes. So it's pretty obvious that this is a mascara. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes until the eyelash primer dries, I guess. I'm gonna wait like 3 minutes. And in a second, it is dry. So now let's put on some mascara. Still debating whether or not I should do my bottom lashes or not. This brush is like insanely like tiny, like slim. Like usually the brushes I have is like slim thick. No, this one's just slim like me. You know, like the little like plops of like mascara on like the very tips. I was doing my mascara one time and the little plops on the end of the mascara brush went directly into my cornea, which all I saw was black for maybe a complete like 3 minutes, and it made me feel like I was getting possessed. There's just a video of this girl literally like putting like eyeliner just like in her eye, and she blinks for a few times and then her eye is just completely black, and that gave me nightmares. My eyelashes are done. I actually do a little bit of eyeliner. I don't do a wing because that usually takes me around 30 minutes to get both of the wings even. I just do a line on like the lid and that's usually it. Alright, so now ew. So now comes the final step. Setting spray. Is it even going on my face? Yeah. So this is my makeup look, really. There's nothing really special to it. I don't really do a lot of glam. Make sure to follow all my social media. It will be down below. And see you guys in the next one. Peace. I got Crocs.